first vlog. I'm going on a trip with my friends today, so I thought to vlog my entire journey. I'm going on a trip for 2 days. Hi guys! And we are here. We just stopped for some snacks and for refreshing ourselves. It's so pretty, so pretty. And the food is so amazing here. I have been here before and I absolutely love this place. Hi guys! And we are here. We are at Jim Corbett and we are living in Anantara Resort. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm gonna give you my room tour. Let's go inside. Let's see how it is. फॉर लंच. हमें बहुत भूख लग रही है. वी आर सो टायर्ड इतना लॉन्ग जर्नी करके. तो हम बस अब खाने जा रहे हैं. लेट्स सी कि फूड कैसा होता है वहाँ का. आई विल टेल यू गाइज श्योरली. द रिजॉर्ट इज़ अमेजिंग. इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू हाउ द फूड इज़. Super excited and ready to have our lunch. Yay! We are back from lunch and now we are all really excited to dive in the swimming pool, especially me. I just love swimming pools. I can spend my entire day in a pool. Also, the main reason that I booked this resort is that it has a private pool. This is a villa. It has 2 rooms and a private pool. I mean, what else do I need in my life? Perfect getaway. And it's a lot of fun. We are out of swimming pool now and we are so tired. मेरी किस्मत भी तुम्हारे साथ बन गई. Hi guys, I just woke up. Obviously you can make that out from my face. So we are all set, all ready. We are going for breakfast and then we'll move to Nainital. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Let's see how it goes. And all of us are excited. हेलो. सो ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ डन. बहुत खा लिया है हमने एंड अब हम जा रहे हैं एक्टिविटी एरिया में. एक्टिविटी एरिया में कुछ ऐसे फ़न से गेम्स हैं. सो लेट्स सी कि वहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा कितना मज़ा आता है. हम बस 10-15 मिनट कुछ फ़न करेंगे एंड देन विल मूव. Now we are ready to leave our property. I just wanted to come here and talk about a little bit of where I stayed. So I stayed at Kara Anantara Resort and the experience has been amazing. We had a villa with a private pool and it was just amazing. So my experience was really good with them. If you are coming to Jim Corbett, you can probably try. If you want a private pool, then you guys can come here. The prices are not that high, to be very very honest. And if you want me to share the prices and everything, you can let me know in the comment section. The whole and the overall experience with Anantara was really good. So one thing which is disadvantageous is like this resort is a little bit far from Jim Corbett. It's like if you guys want to do a safari or something, so you will have to travel like 8 to 10 kilometers to reach the entry gate of the safari, of the jungle safari. So yeah, that's the main thing that's you'll have to keep in mind. It's a little bit far. Now we are going to Nainital. Obviously, you know, we planned for safari today in the morning. So our safari was at 5:45, but it started raining heavily, so it like ruined everything. So our safari got cancelled. So now we are not going to safari, and yeah, but our stay was really amazing. We enjoyed in the resort for the entire day, and that was beautiful. This is my OOTD. I traveled and this was super comfy. We are going for boating, and I have never seen Nainital like this before. It's so empty. I didn't find people here. It's so less crowded, see? And it's so amazing. So yeah, now we are going for boating, and then let's see what we do. Yeah.
Yes.
ये हमारे भैया जी बोटमैन.
This is Nainital Power.
ये हेलो भैया.
Hello.
So we came for go-karting here, and I think it's snow view या snow point, कुछ तो कहते हैं इसको ऐसा. तो आप इधर ऐसे ट्रॉली से आते हो, like cable car, या फिर आप normal अपने कार से भी आ सकते हो. So yeah, so we are here for go-karting, and we have an amazing view in front of us. See, looks so beautiful. We are enjoying some street food.
3 भुट्टे खाने वाली हूँ और
So we are at this very beautiful and a cute cafe, which is Lakeside Cafe, and it's amazing. See the view. We just came here to grab a coffee, and the view is amazing. Now we are going for cycling, and we'll do street shopping. Now we are finally here for the dinner, and हम dinner के लिए भी Lakeside Cafe आए हैं क्योंकि हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगा है यहाँ की vibe. We really loved it. So we are back in the same cafe. Finally back to our hotel, and we'll probably move around 4 in the morning, and we are going back home. Our trip is over, which is sad, but yeah.
रिया का ब्लॉग मस्त है, सब देखना, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा.